Hello. Voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what happens, why they are exited every time. Okay. So we will start from what I can say. पहिल्यापासून आपण start करूया. So what is the equation or the voltage across the inductor is given by the formula V is equal to L into di by dt. So I have just put it here the value of voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t L into di by dt. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the equation for the current. So what is that? Just I have rearranged the term, that is Vm divided by L sine of omega t dt. Now what we have to find out? I have to find out the value of what I can say current, that is nothing but the I. So what I did, I have just taken the integration from both sides and we have reached up to this step, that is nothing but the Vm divided by omega L minus cos of omega t. So if I have put it the formula of cos of omega t in terms of sine, it becomes the what? Sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Okay. So see, what is this? This is nothing but the Vm. Okay. And whenever we are going to divide this Vm divided by this omega L, this is, it becomes the Im, where Im ची value काय आहे? Im is equal to Vm divided by omega L. And what is this omega L is called? This omega L is called as the reactance of that particular inductive circuit. Okay. Now, what is this reactance? Reactance is nothing but this opposition offered by that inductor to the flow of the current. That is also called as the inductive reactance. Okay. What is this omega L is called as? What is this omega L? This omega L is called as inductive reactance, or you can say that this omega L is nothing but the opposition offered by that particular inductor to the flow of the current. So what is my equation number second? Equation number second I have got, that is nothing but the Im sine of omega t minus pi by 2. And what is my equation, voltage equation? V is equal to Vm sine of omega t. Okay. What is my voltage equation? Voltage equation is V is equal to Vm sine of omega t. And what is my current equation? I is equal to Im sine of omega t minus pi by 2. So by seeing this voltage equation and current equation, what you can observe? What is the phase difference here? या दोन्ही मधला तुम्ही काय बघू शकताय? जर व्होल्टेजचं इक्वेशन आणि करंटचं इक्वेशन जर तुम्ही कंपेअर केलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये किती फेज डिफरन्स दिसतोय तुम्हाला? हाऊ मच फेज डिफरन्स यू आर ऑब्झर्विंग हियर?
90
degree.
That is pi by 2. Okay. But see here, voltage equation काय आहे? V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. And current equation आपलं काय आलेलं आहे? I is equal to Im sin of omega t minus pi by 2. म्हणजे ह्या सर्किट मध्ये लीडिंग कोण आहे आणि लॅगिंग कोण आहे? कोण सांगू शकते ह्या इक्वेशन वरून? Who is leading and who is lagging? Correct. Voltage is leading and current is lagging. And current is lagging by how much quantity? Current is lagging the voltage, that is nothing but the pi by 2, or you can say that by 90 degree. Okay. Current lags the voltage by how many degree? That is nothing but the 90 degree or pi by 2 radian. So in the purely inductive circuit, what you can say, the voltage lags the the current lags the voltage by an angle pi by 2 radian or 90 degree. And whatever the reactance in the inductive circuit is there, that reactance is called as inductive reactance, which is given by the formula omega L. Okay. This WL, that is called as the inductive reactance. Okay. Inductive reactance. Now see here, what I have to do. आता आपल्याकडे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आहे आणि इक्वेशन नंबर 2 आहे. ह्या इक्वेशन वरून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ दी फेजर डायग्राम फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. आता कशी असणार आहे माझी सिंपल फेजर डायग्राम? जस्ट सी हिअर, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आय हॅव रिप्रेझेंटेड दी फेजर डायग्राम. बघा, आपण इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 वरून काय ऑब्झर्व करतोय, इन अ प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट करंट लॅग्स बिहाइंड दी व्होल्टेज बाय 90 डिग्री. ओके, बघा ही फेजर डायग्राम बघा, दिस लेफ्ट हँड साइड फेजर डायग्राम. Here this is the voltage phasor and here we have shown the current phasor. Now this current is lagging the voltage by how many angle? This is nothing but the 90 degree. Okay, कळलेलं का सगळ्यांना how to draw the phasor diagram? Or you can say that current lag आहे, याचाच अर्थ काय, कोण लीड आहे? The current lagging means who is leading here?
Voltage.
Voltage is leading by an angle 90 degree. पण लक्षात ठेवा, कधी पण आपण ज्यावेळेस लॅगिंग लीडिंगचा विचार करतो त्यावेळेस आपण whenever we are going to talking with lagging leading, that time we can say that by taking the reference of current. Okay, आपण करंटचा रेफरन्स घेऊन we can say that what we are going to say, the current lags the voltage by how many angle? That is nothing but the 90 degree. Now what we have to draw? We have to draw the waveform. बघा, आता waveform draw करायची आहे. But this is my first waveform. Which waveform? This is the voltage waveform which is shown by the black, what I can say, black color. बघा, this waveform is started from 0. Okay, and whatever the current waveform is there, that is shown by this particular red sine wave, that is started after this voltage by how many degree? After this voltage by how many degree? That is nothing but the 90 degree. Okay, काल आपण जी वेवफॉर्म काढली होती, whenever purely resistive circuit, both waveform, current waveform as well as voltage waveform start at same point and end at same point. But see here, the voltage waveform is going to start before the current waveform. Why? Because voltage is leading the current with how many angle? That is with the 90 degree. Everybody got this one? Okay, voltage is leading with the current, that is nothing but the 90 degree, or current is lagging the voltage by how many angle? That is nothing but the 90 degree. That's why voltage waveform started the first, and after 90 degree the current waveform is going to be started. Okay, आता आपल्याला काय करायचं, ह्याच्या सोबतच आपल्याला पॉवर वेव्हफॉर्म पण ड्रॉ करायचे. बघा इथं, just see here, I will show you. I have also drawn it. I have also taken that. Just see, but it is in next slide. I will show you. Okay, now see, this is the power waveform. बघा, सगळ्यांनी ही वेव्हफॉर्म इथं बघा व्यवस्थितरित्या. आता just consider here, okay, now here the voltage waveform shown by the which line? This shown by this black line. Okay, current waveform is shown by such different color, that is might be it is somewhat pink color, and whatever the what I can say power waveform is there, that is shown by this orange color here. You can understand the difference between this waveform. Okay, आता बघा, here from this point to this point, ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थितरित्या बघा, what is the value of your voltage, whether it is positive or negative, from this point to this point, ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत व्होल्टेजची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह आहे का निगेटिव्ह आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह. करंटची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह आहे का निगेटिव्ह आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह. व्होल्टेज पॉझिटिव्ह, करंट पॉझिटिव्ह, त्यामुळे तुमची पॉवर काय येणार आहे, इट बिकम्स दी पॉझिटिव्ह. त्यामुळे ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत तुमची पॉवरची वेव्हफॉर्म कशी आलेली आहे, लाईक दिस, दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, नाउ सी, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत कन्सिडर करा, व्हॉट इज दी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ युअर करंट?
निगेटिव्ह.
व्यवस्थित बघा, व्यवस्थित बघा, करंटची व्हॅल्यू पॉझिटिव्ह आहे का निगेटिव्ह बघा. current is shown by the what that particular what I can say pink color. So this is the current waveform and this is the voltage waveform. So current ची व्हॅल्यू काय बघा, पॉझिटिव्ह आहे का निगेटिव्ह आहे?
Positive.
पॉझिटिव्ह.
Positive.
above horizontal line आहे. What is the value of voltage here?
Negative.
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 So power voltage negative आणि करंट पॉझिटिव्ह, त्यामुळे तुमची पॉवर काय येणार आहे? What will be your power? That is nothing but the negative. That's why
Negative.
it is shown below the horizontal line like this. Okay. Now consider from this point to this point. या लास्ट पॉइंट पासून इथपर्यंत कन्सिडर करा. Consider from this point to this point. What is the value of your voltage? Whether it is positive or negative? Negative. Okay. And what is the value of your current? Negative. But the product of negative becomes the positive. So your value of the power or the waveform of your power is nothing but the above the horizontal line. That is the your power is nothing but the positive. Okay. Everybody got this? How to draw this waveform? हे तुम्हाला waveform draw करायची आहे. Okay, but you should know how to draw the power or how to draw the voltage waveform and how to draw the current waveform. Okay, everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see, just a minute. Now see this, what is this term? Whatever this term is there, that is nothing but the inductive reactance. Okay, which is denoted by the letter x suffix small l. Okay, आपल्या त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये काय आलं होतं? There is a one term which is present which is known as inductive reactance, which is denoted by x suffix small l, which is given by omega l. But what is the value of omega? Omega is nothing but the 2 pi f. So your inductive reactance is given by xl is equal to, it is omega l, or you can say that 2 pi f into l. 2 pi f into l. Okay, and what is the maximum value of current? Im is equal to Vm divided by omega l. And what this omega l is called as? That is nothing but the xl. So your value is nothing but the Vm divided by xl. That is nothing but the Im. So you can remind this formula, because this formula we will require whenever we are going to solve the different example. आपण ज्यावेळेस हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करणार आहोत त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करावं लागणार आहे? We are going to see the what I can say, we will require this formula. First and very most important formula, that is nothing but the inductive reactance. Okay, inductive reactance, which is given by xl, that is omega l 2 pi f into l. Next, the maximum current. How to find out the maximum current? Vm divided by xl. Okay, now see, there is another important point here in this what I can say, a particular purely inductive circuit. They have found out the value of current. Okay, sorry, they have found out the value of power. But just see here, no need to go for the derivation of this power. What you can remind into the purely inductive circuit, what is that? See here, the average power over the one cycle of an purely inductive circuit is 0. ओके, यांनी तिथे इंटिग्रेशन दिलेलं आहे बघा. कशाचं इंटिग्रेशन काढायचं आहे? जस्ट दे हॅव गिवन हिअर, दिस इंटिग्रेशन यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, हे आपण काल केलेलं आहे, आपल्याला ह्याचं प्रूफ एक्सपेक्टेड नाही. जस्ट व्हॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर अस, what is important for us, what you have to remind? We have to remind that the average power over the one cycle of the purely inductive circuit is 0, or in other words, what you can say, power consumed by the pure inductance is 0. Okay, प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट मध्ये ज्यावेळेस आपण RL सर्किट, RLC, RC सिरीज सर्किट बघू त्यावेळेस दिस केस विल नॉट possible, but this is possible in the case of only purely inductive circuit. That is, average power in the purely inductive circuit is 0. Okay, so see, I will revise it from starting. What is that? What you can say? पहिल्यांदा ज्यावेळेस आपण करंटचे व्होल्टेजचे इक्वेशन बघितलं, what is that equation? V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. Then equation of current, I is equal to Im sin of omega t minus pi by 2. So from this equation, what you can say? Who is leading and who is lagging? Who is leading? In the purely inductive circuit, the voltage leads with the current by angle 90 degree, or you can say that current lags the voltage by an angle 90 degree. After that, we have drawn the waveform of voltage, or we have drawn the waveform of what I can say, current. Okay, then after that also we have drawn the waveform of power. Okay, आता त्यांनी बघा, तुम्हाला सांगतो व्हाय दे आपण जस्ट वी कॅन प्रूव्ह इट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफिकल प्रेझेंटेशन ऑल्सो. बघा इथं आता तुम्हाला ज्यावेळेस कन्सिडर हिअर 4 पॉइंट्स हिअर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. ओके, आपण काय म्हणत होतो, दिस वेवफॉर्म, युअर करंट वेवफॉर्म विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, पण त्यांनी काय केलेलं आहे, although it is going to start from here, what they have just extended that current waveform behind this particular line. Okay, त्यांनी काय केलेले आहे, वॉट एव्हर दिस करंट वेवफॉर्म दे हॅव एक्सटेंडेड बिहाइंड दिस पर्टिक्युलर लाईन. तशी आपण व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म सुद्धा काय करू शकतो, वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड लाईक दिस. ओके, व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म सुद्धा काय करू शकतो आपण, एक्सटेंड करू शकतो, मीन्स लाईक दिस. म्हणजे ही इकडे असणार आहे, हे असं लाईक दिस वन. ओके, बघा आता ह्या पॉइंट पासून फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट युअर पॉवर इज निगेटिव्ह. Then from this point to this point your power is positive. Again from this point to this point your power is negative, and from this point to this point your power is positive. Means in one cycle your value of power 2 times it becomes negative and 2 times it becomes the positive. Means what happens, this positive will get nullified to this negative. So that's why they can say that the average power over or in the purely inductive circuit is 0. कळलेलं का सगळ्यांना? एव्हरीबडी गॉट दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
या वेवफॉर्म वरनं तुम्ही अंदाज लावू शकताय की ऍव्हरेज पॉवर ओव्हर दी सर्किट इज 0. ओके, ही वेवफॉर्म तर तुम्हाला ड्रॉच करायची आहे, बट जस्ट आय विल प्रूव्ह दॅट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेवफॉर्म. आपण व्हॉट एव्हर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट इज देअर दॅट वी हॅव प्रूव्ड विथ दिस हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेवफॉर्म. ओके, this waveform is very important for us, so we can draw, instead of that waveform we will draw this waveform also, so which will be helpful for us. Okay, काय लक्षात ठेवायचंय, in purely inductive circuit 3 things you need to keep in your mind. These are very important. Current lags the voltage by 90 degree. Then whenever you are considering the average power, it is 0 over the whole cycle in purely inductive circuit, and this omega L is called as the inductive reactance, which is given by XL, which its formula is 2 pi f into L. आता बघा आपण काय म्हणलं होतं, पॉवर फॅक्टर. yesterday we have found out the power factor. Now which is angle here, what is our power factor, cos of phi. So if I will put the value of phi as the 90 degrees, so what it becomes, cos of 90. So what it becomes, 0. But we are not saying like this. आपण असं नाही म्हणायचं की 0 पॉवर फॅक्टर आहे, काय म्हणायचं, 0 lagging. Why we are saying it as the lagging? Because 0 lagging indicates that it is the inductive circuit. We cannot say like that power factor is 0. What we have to say, 0 lagging. Okay, what we have to say, 0 lagging. This is nothing but the power factor of the purely inductive circuit. Everybody gone this one? सगळ्यांना purely inductive circuit कळलेलं आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so what, whether you have brought the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just you can write 2 things. First and very most important things, first of all draw this circuit. सगळ्यांनी हे सर्किट ड्रॉ करा. सर्किट ड्रॉ करून झाल्यावर सांगा मी काय लिहायचं सांगतो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव्ह दी हेडिंग प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट. सगळ्यांनी हेडिंग द्या प्युअरली इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट, or you can say that AC through pure inductance. ड्रॉ केले सगळ्यांनी, फिगर ड्रॉ केले.
Yes, sir.
त्याच्या खाली ओके ड्रॉ इट. ओके त्याच्या खाली लिहा.
Yes, sir.
ओके व्होल्टेजचे इक्वेशन लिहा. V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. Write down the voltage equation. V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. Okay. After that, write down the equation of current directly. That is I is equal to Im sin of omega t minus pi by 2. Write down the equation of current. That is I is equal to Im sin of omega t minus pi by 2. Okay. Below that write down from the equation of voltage and current, we can say that in purely inductive circuit, current lags the voltage by 90 degree. Current lags the voltage by 90 degree. Full stop. Okay. After that, draw this phasor diagram. फक्त फेजर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करा, वेवफॉर्म ड्रॉ करू नका. वेवफॉर्म आपण लास्टला ड्रॉ करूया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ दिस फेजर डायग्राम. लेफ्ट हँड साइडची फेजर डायग्राम सगळ्यांनी ड्रॉ करा. एकदम सिंपल आहे. देयर इज नो डिफिकल्ट.
सर तुमचा आवाज मधून
हा ड्रॉ दिस फेजर डायग्राम. फेजर डायग्राम सगळ्यांनी फेजर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करा. लेफ्ट हँड साइडची फेजर डायग्राम. हा युअर व्हॉइस इज ऑडिबल. हा वेदर माय व्हॉइस इज ऑडिबल. अदर
सर
पीपल,
तुमचा आवाज मधून
अदर पीपल वेदर माय व्हॉइस इज ऑडिबल.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shraddha, you can sit in range so that you can hear my voice clearly. Other people are getting my voice very clearly. Okay, draw this waveform. Left hand side waveform phasor diagram सगळ्यांनी draw करा. व्होल्टेज करंट आणि त्या दोघांमधला अँगल किती आहे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी 90 डिग्री. ड्रॉ केली सगळ्यांनी वेव्हफॉर्म ड्रॉ केली. एव्हरीबडी ड्रॉन दी वेव्हफॉर्म. वेव्हफॉर्म ड्रॉ केली का सगळ्यांनी, सॉरी फेजर डायग्राम ड्रॉ केली का सगळ्यांनी.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes.
त्याच्या पुढे लिहा. नाउ यू कॅन राईट डाऊन. In purely inductive circuit, the inductive reactance is given by okay, write down these two formulas, this first formula and this second formula. In purely inductive circuit, the inductive reactance is given by this first formula and this second formula. You can write down this. The XL, which is nothing but the inductive reactance given by XL is equal to omega L, or you can say that 2 pi F into L. And as far as the formula for current, IM is equal to VM divided by XL. Okay. लिहिलं फॉर्म्युला, लिहिलं सगळ्यांनी.
Yes.
ओके, त्याच्या खाली लिहा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिहा पॉवर फॅक्टर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पॉवर फॅक्टर लिहा. as there is 90 degree angle between, as there is a 90 degree angle between voltage and current, comma, cos phi which is equal to cos phi equal to त्याच्या पुढेच लिहा, असं लिहा बघा, cos phi that is equal to cos of 90 which is equal to 0, okay. Below that write down, so in purely inductive circuit, the power factor is 0 lagging. The power factor is 0 lagging. Okay, full stop. After that, below that write down, just a minute. Yeah, the average power in purely inductive circuit is in purely inductive circuit is 0. The average power in purely inductive circuit is 0. Full stop. Full stop. And at last, draw this waveform very well. एकदम व्यवस्थित रित्या सगळ्यांनी ही लेफ्ट हँड साइडची वेवफॉर्म ड्रॉ करून घ्या. एव्हरीबडी ड्रॉ दिस वेवफॉर्म व्हेरी वेल. पहिल्यांदा करंटची वेवफॉर्म ड्रॉ करा, त्याच्यानंतर सॉरी पहिला व्होल्टेजची वेवफॉर्म ड्रॉ करा, त्याच्यानंतर करंटची वेवफॉर्म ड्रॉ करा आणि आफ्टर दॅट ड्रॉ दी वेवफॉर्म ऑफ पॉवर. ओके, व्यवस्थितरित्या ड्रॉ करा. वेळ लागला तरी चालेल, पण वेवफॉर्म व्यवस्थित ड्रॉ करून घ्या. एव्हरीबडी गॉट नाउ? Now Shraddha, whether voice is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Draw this waveform. सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित ड्रॉ करून घ्या. Take the time but draw it very well. ड्रॉ केली? सगळ्यांना जमली आहे का वेवफॉर्म? वेवफॉर्म जमतीये का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सिंपल आहे, म्हणजे थोडेस व्यवस्थित लक्ष देऊन ड्रॉ करा. आता इथे थोडा तुमचा हे लागेल, काय म्हणतो त्याला, लॉजिकनी. लॉजिक तसं काय नाहीये, पण व्यवस्थितरित्या फक्त ड्रॉ करा. जस्ट ड्रॉ इट प्रॉपरली.
झालं, sir.
ओके. सो